What's up, guys? Good afternoon. This is Captain A380 coming to you from the airport lounge. This afternoon's preview, Midge HD and 777 Die Hard Forever had featured this airliner only from Gemini Jets. Let me give you a little background history. This airliner was formed in 1985. They only started out with with two existing aircraft, the AIRBUS A380 and the Boeing 727. They're based in the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, and is today one of the world's largest airliners in the world. Say hello to Emirates Airways, AIRBUS A380 1200 by Skymarks. Now, I got this aircraft in 2013, and basically I got this as a Christmas present along with China Airlines 747409. Now, Emirates received their first Airbus A380s in 2008, and they have numerous destinations worldwide with this aircraft. Washington Dulles, Miami International Airport, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, Los Angeles International Airport, and other airports are starting to expand to allow for the Airbus A380 to use the airport, basically. Sydney Kingsport Smith, Tokyo Narita, Beijing Keppel. Just to name a few of their airports, they have numerous Airbus A380s. They have Boeing 777-200s and 300s, and the Airbus A340 and A330. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. Sorry about that. Starting with the PO tubes and static ports, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. The Airbus A380 is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. The L1 door, Emirates official website, www.emiratesAirways.com. The 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings, down towards the tail section. Emirates livery on the tail of the A380. Now, the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tail planes of the Airbus A380. Now I'm going to take you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. And this tour is complete. Now you have Emirates official flag, the registration of this aircraft coming down towards the wings, and the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines right towards the galley and the cockpit. And that's it. The basic seating capacity for Emirates Airways Airbus A380 is about 850 passengers. In Europe, basically, London Heathrow, Paris Charles de Gaulle, Amsterdam Schiphol, Frankfurt Flugenhafen, and Frankfurt, Germany is just some of the destinations, including Helsinki in Finland. I'll give you a couple of views of the aircraft. Starting from this side right here. And right from this side as well. And a bird's eye view. Isn't that magnificent? Alright, that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe.